Yes, guys, I believe Bitcoin is about to make a stunning move here over the weekend, an explosive move to the upside. And I'm gonna show you in today's episode from where this pump will be coming and which levels we have to watch to position ourselves for the next trade. And I also gonna give you a altcoin gem that I have found by the end of the video. If you want to know what I'm talking about, then make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, like this video, and also activate the bells so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And of course, stick around until the end to get the special altcoin. And now let's directly get here into today's content. Okay, so here on the 15 minutes chart for Bitcoin, we can see that Bitcoin has formed here this rising wedge for now, while we are back in the range that I told you yesterday about that I don't really like, because I want to see Bitcoin being above the range, because that will open the doors to go to $40,000 obviously. But for now, we have to deal with what we got. We are in this rising wedge here. For now, the Bitcoin price action got a bounce from the upward sloping support line, and we just got here a bounce like 25 minutes ago. No, almost 30 minutes ago, where we came down and then now got the bounce back to the upside. I see here like a small failure with the price action right now, because here also the stochastic RSI just changed, the MACD just changed before we got a new candle, and the RSI also changed again, because just a minute ago it was ticking up everywhere. So, but we might get this now. We have to see what's going on here. That's not what I wanted to talk about. So what I wanted to show you is, first of all, we have here this downward sloping resistance line that Bitcoin needs to break higher, even within that falling wedge. And then the imminent resistance will be the top of the range again, 34,865. And if we break it, it will be the top of the rising wedge at $35,076. And what a coincidence, there is also another resistance sitting that we just tested with the recent pump that we had. I think it was yesterday. With the pump that we got yesterday, we went exactly to that specific level. When I go here to a 30 minutes chart, be really careful over the next couple hours here. It is not a big issue for Bitcoin losing here on the 30 minutes this upward sloping trend line, which is also the trend line on the 15 minutes for the rising wedge. That is not a big issue. Bitcoin will get in trouble if we, first of all, break that trend line and go lower and break here this upward sloping trend line, because that trend line is basically coming from the move into the $34,000 level. If we're losing that trend line and at the same time losing the underlying support level here in green that we always bounced off from in the recent 2 weeks. You see here, every time when we came down to $30,200, $100, we got a bounce back to the upside. So if we lose this upwards sloping support line and the underlying support, then this will open the doors for a bigger correction to $33,000. But I don't believe that this is going to happen. I believe over the weekend we're gonna see a really nice $1,000, $2,000 candle in Bitcoin. So I'm gonna show you now from where this will be actually coming. So for once, it will be coming from this bull pennant that we have here, because we're at the end of it. We should get a breakout, and here on the liquidation levels, we still have here this density of 10x leverage short positions that will get liquidated there. So it's really dense up there. So it would make sense to drive it up there to take that out. The lower leveraged ones will be most likely wigged out at the same time. And that would bring Bitcoin to like $38,500 approximately. So that would be even a $4,000 move. But I don't want to bank on that. I just want to bank on the imminent liquidity that is closest to the price action. And that would be just dipping into the top of the 10x leverage short positions that are sitting here. So that move is a $2,000 move that I could see being happening over the weekend here. When we are going then to the 12-hourly chart, and here comes now why I believe this is going to happen. The 12-hourly chart on the stochastic RSI wants to give us a buy signal. The MACD most likely in 40 minutes will start to turn around. Watch this, if it's actually turning around and creating a lighter red candle. And also if the RSI either goes sideways or goes slightly up, watch this. If you see everything ticking up a little bit and you get here lighter red candle, and this candle here is slightly outside this bullish pennant, let's say at, like $100 higher, then chances are really, really high that we're going to see that pump to the upside over the weekend, because on the higher time frames, it does not matter which coin I'm looking at. Okay, for the most part, not of course not over 1,000 coins, but for the most part of the coins that I'm looking at on the 12-hourly chart, every single coin has reset in the indicators. And that is showing me that over the next 2-3 days, there will be some sort of a move to the upside. We see it today already in the altcoins. So the altcoins are popping right, left, and center. So I'm really glad that I took a lot of altcoin positions. Let me show it to you what I have open here. See, so here's only green, so I have here only green. So I'm really happy about that. So these are just, I have some smaller positions, some bigger positions. Here, these smaller ones that are positions that I want to build up. That's why I just have small money on it. And later, when they are breaking significant resistance, then I also scale them up to bigger positions. And here, these $10,000 positions, I also might add later a little bit more to them. Most likely, I'm gonna add half my profits to them when they are at 100%. So that's my strategy here. So when I have here $9,000 on that specific trade here, what is this? This is Phantom. If I have here $9,000, I will take $4,500 off the table, and then I will take the other $4,500 and add this to the trade. So basically, I would just set a stop loss at that moment, and add $4,500 to the trade and let this then continue to ride to the upside. So and the same with here XRP, I will do the same thing. Link. With Link, I will do the same thing. I will add here. I will add like $5,000 when I see significant resistance to be broken. So of course I have here TPs for now, but I might change them as we go. And then, we are basically already at the end of the video. It was a really quick one today. I did not want to bore you too much on a Saturday. The coin that I'm looking at, and I want to be, again, honest with you. You guys know I always tell you when I have like a really small coin that I'm talking about, if I got paid for that or not. I got a really, really, really small amount of money paid for that. So it's in Dubai. It's like a dinner, what I got paid for that. So and I did this because I really like the project, and it comes from a friend of mine that has a track record of successful projects. Otherwise, I would not talk about this. And as a trader, I actually like the project. So and the project that I'm talking about is called Trade Bionic. Trade Bionic is a social trading platform that allows you to have access to a revenue share from their profits that they are generating with trading. So they have this enhanced with AI. I have to ask again if it was no. I actually asked them. It's I think they are trading with real. They're at least building on real AI. So it's not ChatGPT BS. So they are doing this with real AI for risk mitigation, which is really nice. So and I have these coins now for like a week or 8 days, and the price went already up 60% since I have them. So that's really, really nice. So and they have here on the website, as you can see, they have here on the roadmap also high frequency algorithmic trading that they're going to do, and they have already some traders for their copy trading feature on their platform, and these traders will of course generate the profits where they're then going to pay out the revenue share from. They have right now 5 traders. They will of course add more traders. So here you see they have robot, that's robot, and then they have here the high frequency algo, but they have like 3 real traders for now, and they are keep adding more traders as the project is going along. So when we are talking then about price action, so here you can see yesterday we got here a nice pop here to the upside again. I think that was the pop that I was watching in my wallet. So you see here that was a 30% pop. Okay, I did not see that pop in my wallet. It was in the night, yeah. So it was in the night, so I did not actually. No, in the afternoon. Yeah, I did not see that. I did not see that. Here, some important levels to mark out. I would wait for potential pullback to this downwards trending support line, which is now support. It got confirmed here twice after we broke above it. And if we lose that line, then the blue line will become my stop loss. So enter a position, if you want this coin, on the downward sloping trend line, which should be acting as support, and use the underlying blue line here as your stop loss for that specific coin. I'm going to hold what I got long term, because the little amount that I got almost doubled already, you know. So if that goes 100x on a $500,000 market cap, so that's $50 million. It's not that crazy, you know, so that project can do this. Yeah, then I'm actually sitting on a quite nice amount, and then I might be cashing out. So I'm not planning to cash out under $25 to $50 million market cap. So no worries, I will not dump on you, you know. So if you are buying it now with me, because it's under $1 million market cap, and imagine if now some more people start talking about this, what this could actually do in a full-fledged bull market where coins get pumped like in one day to like $100 million market cap. So we have seen that in the past. So I'm not saying that I'm expecting that for this coin now. I'm keeping it moderate. I think $25-50 million over the next couple months, not weeks, might be quite realistic for this specific project here. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. Don't forget, if you want to trade and you don't know yet actually how to do this, then go and check out my program. Here you can choose whatever suits you best. You can either learn by yourself with assistance of my team, or directly get mentored by me. I have all these options here on my homepage, amcrypto.us. Go and check it out, because you want to know how to trade for the next bull run. I made over $200,000 in the last 7 days with $50,000 capital. I did not want to use more. $50,000 was enough to make 4x with trading in a week. And I only used everything that's, when it comes to information, what's available also in the course. I don't do anything else. You get everything what I do in my program. So definitely check it out. Guys, that's it for today's episode. Please don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll see you then again tomorrow.